Hi, my name is Tanya Luhrmann. I'm an anthropologist. I teach at Stanford, and I am leading with Nancy Lenny Wheeler a workshop called Spiritual Yearning that we're going to have in December 11th through the 13th. It's a weekend workshop, and we'd love to have you there. For years, I have studied the way in which people create relationships with gods and spirits. And part of this involves trying to understand how people pray or use spiritual disciplines or use practices to help bring the invisible world closer to them. So I've spent time with people who call themselves magicians and witches and evangelical Christians and Zoroastrians. I've also talked to a lot of people in our modern world who experience themselves as, we call it spiritual, but not religious. And it's about a fifth of all Americans these days. But they want more. They want an experience of something that's richer and deeper and closer to the supernatural than they're able to get. They're closer to what William James, this great early American psychologist, he called it the more. Clearly, he said, there's more than the material world. So we're going to do two kinds of things across the weekend. One of them are path workings, or these kind of guided meditations in which, in different sort of settings, in different settings of the imagination, you will travel someplace, encounter some being, have some encounter with them, and then come back. And I'll also do kind of a singing gestalt, where Nancy will invite you to encounter a song, perhaps of your childhood, that you want to sing to somebody who is not present. These are often very emotional experiences, and people come to know themselves in a new way. I think over the weekend, we're going to offer probably 4 different opportunities to go on journeys of the soul and imagination. And after those experiences, we will talk. We're going to invite people to talk about their own struggles, their own yearnings, their own choices about how to imagine a way forward. So we're hoping that that mixture of practice and conversation will enable people to feel oriented in a new way at the end of the weekend. I hope to see you there.